Hello again, everyone. My name is Precious Estimada from BSM31, and for our video today, we are going to discuss quality time and the theory of constraints from chapter 14. But in this video, we are only going to discuss two objectives, which is the learning objective 4 and the learning objective 5. So for our first objective, which is learning objective 4, we will try to provide examples of non-financial quality measures of customer satisfaction and internal performance. And if you still recall from our previous lessons with our teacher, Sir Mick, and our previous videos, we discussed the different costs, the appraisal cost, prevention cost, failure cost, and internal cost. And we try to answer some problems regarding that. But for this video, we are just going to focus on the non-financial measures for customer satisfaction and internal performance.
First, let us define what are financial quality measures. Well, non-financial performance measures give you the information on the company's performance in non-monetary or non-money terms. And though one can't express non-financial measures in money terms, these measures can be both qualitative and quantitative. So, non-financial quality measures helps the company to understand the quality of the product or service that they offer, or for us to furthermore understand the quality and performance of a company better. And we also have the question, why are non-financial quality measures important? Well, first, they help capture strengths and weaknesses because when we try to evaluate a company, besides their financial measures, as we try to evaluate them, we find or discover the company's strengths and weaknesses, and with that we can try to look for ways on how to improve and lessen the weaknesses of the company. Next is it affects business performance. So just what I've said, as we measure the non-financial quality of a company's performance, the results would affect business performance, because from here we could see areas where we should focus on and areas that we should really have to improve. Next is to give employees better feedback on how to meet strategic objectives, because if we evaluate, we will see the areas or inform the employees whether or not they should work harder or improve their performance as well in order for them to achieve our company's objectives. And lastly, these are better at adjusting for external factors, since every business faces external risks outside its control that can negatively impact measures like revenue and expenses. And next, we have the examples for the non-financial measures of customer satisfaction. We have number of customer complaints, percentage of products that experience early or excessive failure, defective units, on-time delivery rate, and waiting time at reservation desk for room service, message delivery, and valet parking, for example. And of course, we have lastly number of repeat guests or guest referrals, which is like more repeated guests means that customers are satisfied. And for the internal performance, we have numbers of defects for each product line, process yield, employee turnover, efficiency measures, which is different in every industry, and overdue product percentage, or the number of projects that are too late or behind a schedule, and on-time rate, which is the percentage of products that were delivered or processed as scheduled. And our last objective is to describe the benefits of financial and non-financial measures of quality. Well, financial measures are helpful to evaluate trade-offs among prevention costs, appraisal costs, and failure costs, just like in our previous lessons. And non-financial measures help focus attention on the precise problem areas that need improvement and also serve as indicators for future long run performance. So just like financial measures, it is also non-financial measures are also important for us to find ways on how to improve our company's performance. And that's it for our video today. I hope you learned something. Bye.